In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buy button embeds linking to your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to integrate your Shopify products into other websites, blogs, or online platforms, providing an easy and seamless shopping experience for your customers. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel and locate the Apps section. It's usually nestled in the menu, which is your gateway to enhancing your Shopify capabilities with additional functionalities. Click on Apps, and in there, you'll want to search for something called the Buy Button channel. Now, once you've found the Buy Button channel, click on it to go to its app page. From this page, you'll be able to gather some more information about the app itself, but our main focus here is to install it. So, find and select the Install option. This will get us started on the path to creating your buy button. With the app installed, open it up, and you'll see the option to create a button. Clicking on Create a Button will propel you into the process of designing your buy button. This part is quite intuitive and is broken down into 3 main steps, each providing you with the opportunity to customize your button to best suit your needs. Firstly, you'll select the product that you want to enable a buy button for. Browse through your product listings, and once you have found the right one, select it. This is the product that shoppers will be able to purchase using the buy button you are about to create. The next phase is where you get to unleash your creativity a bit, editing the look of the buy button. Shopify provides you with several customizable options to tailor the appearance of the button. You can adjust colors, size, text, and style, ensuring it aligns with your branding or the aesthetics of the platform where it will be embedded. And finally, once you're satisfied with how your buy button looks, the last step is to copy the generated code. This code snippet contains everything necessary for the button to function. It's like a compact package that, when placed in the right spot on a web page, unfolds into a fully interactive button that connects directly to your Shopify store. There you have it. You've now successfully gone through the process of creating a buy button embed for your Shopify store. With the code copied, you can now proceed to embed it on any site of your choosing, allowing shoppers to easily purchase your selected product with just a simple click. This feature not only broadens your selling avenues, but also enhances the shopping convenience for your customers, driving sales and growth. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow.